Infinity, the Diesel Soldier, and today I'm going to give you guys a little quick tour of my tool cart. I know you've been dying to see my tool cart, so first, this is my Matco 17-inch box end, double box end. One is a ratcheting and one is for just fixed, and I use this for Isuzu services. So this three right here is for Isuzu services, and when I do Isuzu service or PM, I don't really use ratchets and sockets. I just use this three, and I should be good. I use it for differential, for an oil pan, and this is for the oil fuel filter. This is for the fuel filter, and I use a plier for the fuel water separator. And that's about it for this part. And then my Easy Red, I rarely use this. And my Tecton sockets on the Alsa tools. I got a Williams 8-point sockets for Cascadia differentials. Matco ratchet, the 18-inch. This is my favorite ratchet right here. It's because of its versatility. I can use it as a speed ratchet, and I just love the versatility. This is the most used ratchet I have. And Ullman mechanic mirror inspector. Mac is my Mac extensions. Snap-on light. It's a 400 lumens. This is an extension. Lower, and just a bit. I don't really use it much. Tire gauge, keys, a 1/4 inch ratchet, Jaeger-matic. This is my most borrowed tools in this tool cart. Extensions, hose, fittings. This Matco swivel. This is my most used sockets in here. Universal socket. I use about the 16 for the Cascadia bumpers and other things. But I really love this socket right here. I got it for about $500 because I really need it. I've been borrowing it lately on my first month. I've been borrowing it like a lot, so I had to buy it. Torx, E-Torx, Granumatic stubbies, Milwaukee ratchet, and I just converted to 14.4 snap-on impact ratchet, 3/8 impact ratchet. On the side would be the vessel impact Phillips. I can't pull it out right now. Vessel. This is my most used plier. Tecton ratchet, which I don't really use. Lady shoe. Pittsburgh pry bar. And snap-on 3/2 inch ratchet. Just random things. It's a Yucky ratchet from Pittsburgh. This piece of crap right here. Indexable ratchet. This is my favorite impact extension by gear wrench. It's locking, so it's really useful. 3/4 inch drive extension. Tire gauge, which I don't use. This is for the batteries. 916 battery ratchet, 1/2 inch ratchet by Granumatic. Battery. This is my most used Dykes and my snap-on. If you guys see my Instagram when I was cutting and this one cascaded ran over a bed mattress, and I had to cut up all the springs. This is what I use, and I cut up about 100 of those, and until now it's still pretty good. Go to the next ratchet. The next drawer. So this drawer right here is just my Mac. This is like the money drawer for this tool cart. Like, this is my locking flex head ratcheting wrench, metric, this is a flex head ratcheting wrench, standard. This is my RBRT, you know what it is, RBRT Torx and RBRT Hex, which I don't use a lot. I only use it once or twice. The next drawer is my hood prop, my Mac hood prop, Pneumatics 1/4 inch drive, dual socket, and Tecton 3/8 drive socket combination. And this is the best ever tire gauge that you will ever buy for the money. Right here. And a Gabco wrench, which I don't use a lot. This drawer is pretty much my half-inch drawer. My brother-in-law borrowed my 27, 26, 27 socket. So this is like all the Gray Pneumatics dual socket for the half-inch. Davco filter, fuel water separator, wrench, Pittsburgh breaker bar, and then if you guys remember this is the Big Bertha. You'll put your pry bar here and add another pry bar here in the back, so if you want more leverage. And pretty much just stuff. It's my filter wrench, Mac filter wrench, some Pittsburgh filter wrench, gear wrench, filter strap, Pittsburgh filter strap, my siphon hose, and last but not least, my Mac creeper. And that's about it, guys. So if you guys stay tuned and watch the whole thing, thank you.